miles and far away, Laurence and friends have come to play around the tree. They love to dance. He loves to sing and he loves to dance. One and two, two. That's me. Let's get ready to explore. Laurence and friends, Laurence and friends. It's almost time for Laurence and friends. Come along, take my hand. It's almost time for Laurence and friends. Oh, hi. Welcome to Laurence and Friends. Today on Laurence and Friends, Big Bird will meet Laurence for the first time. Wow, where am I? And who's this kid? What's your name?
My name's Laurence.
Hi, Laurence. Nice to meet you. My name's Big Bird.
Hi, Big Bird.
Hi. My name is Big Bird, and I'm a bird, and I live on Sesame Street with my friends, Cookie Monster, Elmo, and Bert. And don't forget Laurence, too, because I really love him. He's a nice friend. I really love him. Laurence is my friend. He's the greatest guy you ever seen. I have to say, he's the best. He's the best. He's the best. He's the bestest friend I ever met. Yeah! That's all for this episode. It's time to say goodbye. Yeah, bye-bye, everyone. Bye.
See you real soon. Oh, and don't forget, Laurence and Friends was brought to you today by the letter Q and the number 19. Laurence and Friends is a production of the Children's Television Workshop. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Laurence and Friends is funded in part by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting
And by the U.S. Department of Education. And by the Grable Foundation.
and by the PBS Kids Ready to Learn grant, and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.